The video is about getting rid of Captchacheckout.top pop-up alerts that currently attack Google Chrome, Firefox, and other Windows browsers. Windows is the main operating system that is attacked by such pop-ups, which are fake human verification messages. The pop-up by Captchacheckout.top indicates that you need to click on the Allow button to confirm that you are not a robot. In reality, doing that is obviously a serious mistake because this is a fake human verification message. If you mistakenly click on that Allow button, you will automatically enable intrusive push notifications that will start attacking your screen. At first, you may be forwarded to some other questionable site that may similarly try to force you into subscribing to its ads. And after the Allow button is clicked, you will see a lot of ads that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of your computer screen. So, now you probably understand that clicking on Allow button was obviously a serious mistake, but the good thing is that this mistake can be easily fixed. Go to the menu, click on Settings, scroll down to the Privacy and Security area, choose Site Settings. Now you need to check the Permissions section and click on Notifications. Pay attention to the bottom of the list that shows websites that are allowed to send notifications. And after you find this Captchacheckout.top, remove it from this list. I would also recommend that you perform additional survey of your computer with a combo cleaner. You may go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, and start carefully examining your computer to be convinced that it is free of any other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, Combo Cleaner will first of all update its antivirus database to make sure that it can detect and delete the threats on your computer. Initially, the application, of course, is in the trial mode. You may click on Start Scan button and the program will perform the direct analysis of your Windows computer. There will be certain types of threats, for instance, those that are related to your browser behavior. In case there are some websites that display intrusive push notifications, they will be marked as suspicious items detected. In case there are some of the more serious threats like malware, like ransomware, or other infections, they will be marked as threats. So this is the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning by Combo Cleaner. As you see, the majority of these threats are related to some suspicious browser behavior. For instance, these pop-up windows that may be the part of Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and other browser may be very stubborn and annoying to attack your screen. Combo Cleaner with the premium version will help to fix these issues. Plus, there may be some more serious threats like adware, malware, or ransomware, or some browser hijacking applications on your computer. Similarly, Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of them with the premium version of the software. And the premium version of the program will keep your system fully protected against such threats in the future.